and then just kind of center them up. No need to remove the griddle top. Just center them up and slide them in place. That's all there is to installing the griddle guard wind guards. So this is what the wind guard looks like. It's got 3 tabs that slide inside of the frame. If you'll bend those 3 tabs out just a touch, it'll make it easier to install. Bend the wings, these edges, out just a tiny touch, maybe 1/8 of an inch or so. You might ask, what about the back of the Blackstone griddle? If you've got a griddle guard top for your Blackstone, once you put it in place, it protects the wind from coming through from the back, which just leaves the front. You don't want it completely contained. If you had a propane leak inside, or one of the burners didn't light right away, you don't want a big buildup of propane, so you want a little bit of ventilation underneath for that propane to dissipate before you relight the griddle. So that's it, guys.